So yeah, guys, this is my new toy. I did end up buying it. Let me show you guys right now. Let me put it out over here in the. That way I can open up the doors, the bed, and everything. So there it is. That's my new project. That's what I picked up yesterday. It's now home. What do you guys think? Really, really clean. I still haven't washed it, but I thought I'll do a video for you guys. Little walk around and show you guys how it looks. But yeah, this is my new toy. I went to go get the title for it today. I got the plates. It's ready to go. So there it is, guys. Look, I'll just show you guys more from this side. It is dropped. That guy got it dropped. He just painted it. They just did all the interior. It did come with extra parts. Came with an extra lining bumper and the 0304 grills. The bed liner, see, it's really clean. The tonneau cover. What do you guys think? As soon as he opened up his garage, I fell in love with it. I had to take it. I had to bring it home with me. See? It's really clean. I bought it off the original owner. The seats. The WeatherTech floor mats. See Lobo on the seats. The Alpine doubled in. It was really clean. I had to buy it. So I'm sure you guys already saw it says Lobo on the seats. And you guys are wondering why it has the Harley Davidson Lobo supercharged badges. It's because it's not a lining, it's a clone. It has a stock 5.7. It only has 50,000 miles. See, I like the honeycomb look, so that's why I'm keeping these grills on, and that's why I sold the 0304 ones. The guy did a lot of work to it. Watch, let me show you guys. So for those of you that know about trucks, the year 1997, these model trucks still came out with the drum brakes. This guy actually upgraded it and did rear disc brakes on it. So all that was upgraded to the truck. It does have the 0304 OEM Ford Lightning wheels. See, brand new tires. All four are brand new. The paint job is in excellent condition. So yeah, guys, this is my new toy. Comment below, what do you guys think? What is the first upgrade I should do to it? There you guys have it. My new toy. A 1997 Ford F-150 Lightning clone. Picking up a new toy. This is going home with us today. So I just picked up this new beautiful truck. It's a Lightning clone, but it's in excellent condition. Really good condition. It was a 40-minute drive to come and pick it up, but it's well worth it. Owner's giving me all the receipts. I'm buying it from the original owner. Have all the receipts for the truck. Really beautiful. I had to buy it. What do you guys think? It just needs to wash. It just got painted.